Welcome back to the Aussie Prepper channel, or should I say the Bear Grylls Survival channel. Well, we've been doing a lot of Bear Grylls unboxings on this channel, and there's a few more to come. Look, I'll be getting into some other interesting stuff very shortly. I've just been extremely busy with my other channel and also getting a new business off the ground, and also cleaning out my shed and prepping for things coming up for next year. But look, there'll be a lot more stuff coming up very shortly for you guys. But for now, let's just have a look at this Bear Grylls micro torch. Okay, that's it there. It's a very small torch. It's designed to be used as a key ring, or it can attach to a zipper on your jacket or your backpack or your survival pack, or just anything at all. You can keep this wherever you want. You can see it's very small. It does not put out a great deal of light. It puts out 8 lumens of light, and it's got a run time of 3.3 hours. A 15 metre beam, which I think is a bit optimistic, but look, it'll put enough light out to get you out of trouble if you need it as an emergency backup light. Now let's have a look at the back of the box before we cut it all up. Okay, well, it pretty much tells you here what I just said. It's got light for any situation, 3 beam modes, high, low, and a beacon, like a flashing beacon type thing. LED bulb sustains peak brightness for longer periods. Priorities of survival pocket guide. Backpack or zipper, as you can see there. Your tent zipper, that's a good idea. Jacket zipper or key ring, or anything else that your imagination will allow. Now, it also comes with a lifetime warranty, like all Gerber products, which is really good. Now, I believe, obviously, there's no warranty on the battery, and the battery in these, you can swap them out. So it might be worthwhile getting yourself a couple of spare batteries, because 3.5 hours run time is not a lot, but it should be enough to get you out of trouble. Now, before we unwrap it, you can press the button there, and that'll give you the light. You press it again, it'll give you a lower light output, so it gives you a little bit of extra time if you don't need the brighter light, and the lower one will do. It'll just buy us a little bit more light time, or a little bit more battery. And there's your flashing beacon, which might be good for an emergency beacon at night to attract some attention, if that's what you want to be doing. I mean, a lot of times I would not want to be attracting attention, and that could be another reason you use that particular light on your low setting, because it's not a lot of light and you won't draw too much attention than if I'm using one of my high power torches or spotlights. Anyway, let's turn this off and get it out of the box. Almost seems like a shame to destroy this packaging, but if I'm going to attach this to my backpack, I'm going to have to do it, unfortunately. This is almost hurting me to do it. I'd just like to keep this in the box. Bit of a collector's item these days, I think. Well, there it is. You can see how small it is. It weighs nothing. Let's turn it on. There's your high beam, low beam, and flashing. Not sure if the camera will focus on that. You've got 4 little Phillips heads there that you can take off to swap out the battery. Now, before I throw the packaging away, I'll get my priorities of survival pocket guide out. I've already got a few of these, and I don't really need them, but you know what, these things will probably be some sort of collector's item down the track. And like I said, I was actually going to do a video reviewing this pocket guide to see if it's worth having, or see if the information that's in there is any good. So that might be another video that's coming up, another Bear Grylls. I might have to change the channel name to Bear Grylls Priorities of Survival or something like that. Anyway, here's what comes in the packet. I'll be attaching this to my backpack or bug out bag, where it will be handy. I probably wouldn't mind a few more of these to attach to my other backpacks. It'll just save me having to swap them out. I might see if I can pick up a few more of these along the way for cheap and keep them around. Okay, it's worthwhile keeping these around the place in your car or whatever you like. Let's go out and try this out to see if it's any good and see how much light it does put out. Now we're inside the house. It's pitch black dark at night time. I've closed all the blinds and I actually can't see anything at the moment. So let's try out this little micro torch. And it actually lights up everything. I can sort of see everything that's in here. It's just not showing up on the camera. It's really strange how the camera sort of compensates for the light or lack of light, but it definitely lights up everything. I can see everything that I want to see. Overall, this is probably a non-event for you people watching it. Let's try the lower setting. See, even on the lower setting, which does not really even show up on the camera, apart from the close-up, I can see everything quite clearly that's around me. Let's put the beacon on. There's the flashing beacon. There you go. Look, it works really, really well. It just does not show up on the camera. You've just seen the test. Overall, I'm very happy with this for the price, for what it is. And, you know, it's got a purpose. You're not going to use this as your primary torch. This is a handy thing to even just have attached to your zipper of your backpack if you're looking something inside your backpack at night, or to look for something inside your tent or your swag at night, or look for something in your car at night without it attracting a lot of attention, without having big bright lights going. And I think this will do the job perfectly for that. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Do not smash your little new survival light for more videos from Aussie Prepper. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.